Canada PR for Teachers, your step-by-step guide to immigrating as an educator. Canada has a critical shortage of teachers at all levels: early childhood, primary, secondary, and special education. Start by finding your correct NOC code. Early childhood, primary, and secondary teachers each have unique codes. Educational Credential Assessment (ECAA) is required. Have your foreign teaching degree evaluated by an approved agency. Take an approved English or French language test, such as IELTS or CELPIP, for immigration eligibility. Apply for provincial teaching certification. Each province sets its own requirements for foreign-trained teachers. Create an express entry profile under the Federal Skilled Worker Program. Enter accurate education and language details. Ensure your CRS score is competitive. Higher scores improve your chances in the express entry pool. Explore Provincial Nominee Programs. Some provinces offer teacher-specific streams, increasing your immigration chances. Receiving a job offer from a Canadian school can help. It may support an application via AIP or RNIP. Participate in bridging or adaptation programs if required by the province. This supports professional integration. Receive a provincial nomination or express entry invitation. This significantly increases your chance for permanent residence. Complete your permanent residence application. Gather required documents and double-check all details before submitting. Arrive in Canada and start your teaching career. Support is available as you begin your new life. Canada is waiting for dedicated educators like you. Start your journey to a meaningful teaching career today.